Apply this bond like mascara, the exact opposite of what everybody else will tell you to do. Take your tape horizontally, close your eye, tape it to the base of your lid where your lashes come out, lift it up and tape it up to your eyebrow like this. The number one thing that you need to do is make sure that nothing ever gets inside that pink waterline. If anything ever gets inside that pink waterline, it is going to hurt, itch, make your eyes water. This is your bond and seal. It is a duo lash glue. It comes with the bond, which is your lash glue. It comes with the seal, which is what we put on the lashes when we're all done. This is a clear bond, so it goes on white and it dries clear. I'm going to scrape off some of that excess. We are going to apply this bond like mascara, the exact opposite of what everybody else will tell you to do. I tell you to apply your bond like mascara. This is what's going to make your lashes last 10 times longer. Our lashes last an entire week. If your lashes clump up, I have a hack for that in my Just Lashes playlist. This will not damage your lashes. As you can see, my natural lashes are very long and healthy. As long as you remove your lashes carefully when it comes time to remove them, that's the only time you would ever incur any damage. The reason we don't start right away is because you want to let that glue get a little bit tacky before you start to help the lashes stick better. When you are taking your lash out of the box, don't grab it by the top like this. If you grab it by the top, your lash is going to split in half. Grab your lash from the bottom like this. Especially when you're using a lash like this. This is called a clear band lash. They look much more natural, but they're weaker. So you really have to make sure you grab it from the bottom. Lick your applicator. If that grosses you out, dip it in water. The reason we do this is because your little lash is going to try to stick to your applicator instead of your eyelashes if you don't lick it or get it wet. So what we need to do is take this lash and get it as close as we can to that waterline without actually touching it. What you're also going to do is when you're doing your outer corner, you're going to angle your head this way, like this, to match the natural angle that your lashes grow. Reptile blink. As close to the base of those lashes as you can without actually getting it in your waterline. And just plop it right down. If you're new here, click that follow button. We do an in-depth DIY cluster lash tutorial like this here on TikTok Live every single weekend. Look at that lash. Reptile blink. We're applying it side by side, no overlap. And again, you're getting it as close as you can to that waterline without actually dipping in it. So now that we have all of our lashes on, the lash map is 12, 14, 16, 14, 12, 10. Lick your applicator or dip it in water and pinch your lashes. Pinch your lashes. Pinch your lashes. This is going to help integrate them in with your natural lashes and make sure that they stay on. Now we are going to take the seal side of our bond and seal, and we're just going to put a tiny bit on, just a tiny bit. Don't overdo it. And then you're going to pinch your lashes again. Lick your applicator or dip it in water again. We do that so that the lashes don't try to stick to the applicator. Take a Q-tip, lick your Q-tip or dip it in water if that grosses you out. I'm literally dipping it in water in pre-workout. And swipe that waterline. Swipe that waterline. You might think there's nothing on your waterline, but there is. There's either dry glue, dry seal, something is on that waterline, so you need to just give it a swipe. Reptile blink. Lash reveal, lash reveal. Look how beautiful these are. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I did not think I was gonna like these. I really like these a lot. That's how they look in the